Brad Williams, XL Prime. Let's see if we can use the if statement and min together to come up with the lowest golf score for a specific golfer. Here we have a Control-Shift-Enter situation if you're using older versions of Excel. Noted by the early brackets. We don't have to do that with the newer versions, but older, be sure to hit Control-Shift-Enter. What are we trying to do? We want the lowest golf scores for Irene. So we go min if golfer equals F5, golf score 239. How does that look? Well, let's get rid of this. There's no way for me now to enter those back in. Excel wants to be finicky now in terms of text. Okay, so look below and see, I did the exact same thing. But if you try to reproduce it in these newer versions, it just won't jive. The inconsistencies with this damn software. Min if golfer, left to right. Golf score. Look here, golf score. What does it represent? D5 to D13. What are we asking? The min is asking, find the min. In the previous example, I said you have multiple numbers. Here we have min if value of true. I jumped ahead. I missed this if statement. If golfer is equal to F5, golf score 239. And we don't have a fill-in if it's not. We are forcing this to provide a number. So basically we're saying look up golfer 239, find Irene, and then if Irene is shown a couple of different times as she is, find the lowest or find the min. That's all this is. So you look here, you see Irene 76, Irene 74, Irene 72. Hit F9 in the scores chain. I didn't want to change the names here, just already complicated enough. Round 1, round 2, round 3. Just for clarification, if you want to get technical. You can see here, looking at if, it says logical test, golfer 239 equals F5. So find Irene. Min just steps in, and once it finds the golfer and the golf score, it's going to produce that. It's just going to find the list. Let's take a look. Golf scores. Value of true, F9. It's true. Logical test, F9. True, 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 false, 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 false. If true, find the min. What's it looking for? True, true, true. What's true? Because it equals F5. Min is going to go in and it's going to say number F9, 82, 76, 82. What's the answer? 76. Here is pretty much what I just stated. I did not put an empty in here because I set this up for simplicity. If you want to reformat this and you want to follow this format, if there were blanks in here, do it. You can do min ifs. Is intended to calculate the minimums based on one or more criteria without requiring a list formula. Min ifs, golf score, golf F5. Notice the difference here? We have this equal to is not added in here because I know it's going to be in a future tutorial. And then this min ifs blank, there's probably a tutorial forthcoming. Brad Williams, I'm out. Thanks, bye.